Are travel agents worth it? This question has crossed the minds of many travelers, and the answer isn't always clear-cut. In this video, we'll delve into the pros and cons of using a travel agent, equipping you with the knowledge to make an informed decision based on your circumstances. So, what exactly are travel agents, and what do they do? Travel agents are professionals who specialize in helping people plan and book their trips. They have extensive knowledge of various destinations and can assist you in finding the best deals on airfare, hotels, and rental cars. Moreover, they often have access to exclusive discounts and promotions that the average person wouldn't be able to find on their own. The benefits of using a travel agent include the potential to save money. With their connections and expertise, travel agents can often secure special deals and discounts, helping you get the most value for your budget. Additionally, they can take the hassle out of trip planning, handling all the details and allowing you to focus on enjoying your journey. Another advantage of working with a travel agent is their ability to guide you away from scams. Travel is not without its risks, and there are fraudulent deals and schemes out there. A knowledgeable travel agent can help you identify and avoid these pitfalls, ensuring your peace of mind. Travel agents also offer personalized service. By taking the time to understand your preferences and needs, they can tailor their recommendations to create a trip that's perfect for you. From suggesting activities to arranging accommodations, their expertise can make your travel experience truly memorable. However, there are a few cons to consider when it comes to using a travel agent. One potential downside is the fee they may charge for their services. While it varies, travel agents typically charge a fee per trip, usually ranging from $25 to $50. Additionally, there may be instances where travel agents can't secure better deals than what you could find online by doing your own research. Ultimately, whether or not travel agents are worth it depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for personalized service, expert advice, and convenience, a travel agent can be an excellent option. However, if you're more focused on finding the best deals and are comfortable conducting your own research, exploring online options might be more suitable. If you decide to work with a travel agent, it's important to find the right one for you. Seek recommendations from friends and family, check for credentials and memberships in reputable associations, read online reviews, and have a conversation with the agent to gauge their experience and suitability for your trip. Remember, effective communication with your travel agent is key. Provide them with as much information as possible about your trip, follow their recommendations based on their expertise, and keep them updated on any changes or updates. Patience is also important, as travel agents can be busy professionals. To save money when booking through a travel agent, ask them about any exclusive discounts they may have access to. Booking in advance can also give them more time to find the best deals. Flexibility with your travel dates and destinations can also increase your chances of securing a great deal. In conclusion, travel agents can provide valuable services, but their worth depends on your individual circumstances. Whether you're a first-time traveler, have specific needs, or simply want to save time and effort, travel agents can be a fantastic resource. However, if you prioritize finding the best deals and enjoy conducting your own research, exploring online options might be more suitable. Make a well-informed decision based on what matters most to you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and insights. Remember, whether you choose to work with a travel agent or plan independently, the goal is to create amazing travel experiences. Happy travels!